Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about key expansion in Whirlpool. So the key expansion process is a bit different in Whirlpool. Let's try to understand in this class. And in our previous classes, we already discussed what happens inside each round and all those things. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, key expansion. See, in our last class we discussed that Whirlpool follows iterative method. Means the first iteration, whatever the output we got from the first iteration, that 512 bit, after doing some XOR operation, the 512 output which we got, that is considered as key for the second round. Similarly, the output which we got from second round, second iteration, after doing some XOR operation, that 512 bit is taken as key for the third round. This is what happens. And the first iteration, the key is considered as some constant or all zeros. There we mentioned it as H0. So now how our key expansion with this, there we mentioned it as H0. Here we are calling it as K0. Same thing, key. This is taken as the first. See, in Whirlpool we are having 10 rounds. Before that, 3-round transformation is there, which we call it as add round key. The first K0 value is taken as input as it is in this round. So using this K0, we have to generate the next keys, 10 keys. How we are going to generate? See what happens in each round in Whirlpool. So after the output that comes from add round key operation, it is going into round 1. What happens inside? Substitution byte, shift columns, mix rows, add round key. After that, the output goes to round 2. Here K1 is used. In the next round, same K2 is used. In the next round, K3 is used. Last in the K10, the next 10 keys, how we are going to be generated. So the key expansion done here. So here it is using the same logic which we are following in the Whirlpool. So, but the input that considered here is K0. K0, same thing, substitution byte, shift columns, mix rows, add round key. But here what is the key that we are going to use is RC1, round constant 1. So what's this round constant 1? We are going to discuss at the end of the class. What values we are going to use, we will discuss later. Now, whatever the output that generated here, this is taken as K1 for the first round. And this is given as input to the second round here. Again here RC2 is used. Here it is following again 4 things, substitution bytes, shift columns, mix rows and add round key. The round key here is a round constant 2. Similarly, round constant 10. Like this, we are using 10 constants in key expansion. Based on this 10 constants, it is going to generate 10 keys. These keys are going to be used in our actual Whirlpool expansion. Similarly, after this, in the second iteration, first key is taken as it is. From that key, it is going to generate the next. So now try to understand what is this round constant 1, round constant 2 and round constant 10. In our last classes, we discussed that substitution byte table. There is a 16 by 16 substitution table. In that table, the first 8 bytes are taken. Round constant 1 is done like this. The first 8 bytes in the substitution table is considered as the row 1. And the remaining rows in 8 by 8 is considered as zeros. We did not mention the remaining rows. Remaining rows all are zeros. RC2, round constant 2, the second 8 bytes in the substitution table are considered in the first row, remaining are zeros. RC3, round constant 3, the third 8 bytes in the substitution table will be considered here in the first row and remaining bits are zeros. This is how round constants are generated. Like that, the 10th 8 bits in the substitution table is considered as the first row. So this is how key expansion is done in Whirlpool. Hope you understand Whirlpool technique. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.